How to treat an oil burn? Well, right here, folks, you are seeing a second-degree oil burn. Yes, let's look at this closely. Hopefully you guys aren't getting queasy already. Well, anyways, we have a second-degree oil burn right here. As we see it, it's spread up here. Well, anyways, let's get right to the point. Enough of you guys. I don't want to have you guys looking at this a while. Well, anyways, to start off, what you want to do is wait for this to cool down before you do anything. So remove any tight jewelry, clothing that can affect the burn. So it's just your hand, because to start off, you don't want to make things any worse than they are. And don't forget that, because this can be useful in the future for sure. Well, anyways, okay, so after that, you want to wait for the burn to cool down before you do anything else. Wait for it to cool down, just wait. And then what you want to do is you want to run the blister underwater, or underwater for 5 minutes. Excuse me. You want to have this running underwater for 5 minutes. So basically, just get a faucet like this, or if possible, you want to run it under cold water, just like this, and put your hand under there. I already did this step, so no need for me to do it again. But anyways, that's what you do after that. That's an essential step that almost all, it's just a known fact. That's what you do with oil burns, heat burns, stuff like that. Just to be careful. Once it's cooled down, once you know it's, the severity of it, and once, and all that, you just want to run it under cold water. Some people say 5 minutes, some people say 20. I say 10. Excuse me, that sneeze was coming. Or at least 5. So anyways, or at least 5. So anyways, we have the burn right here. We have the burn right here. It does not look good, does it? Well, anyways, after that, I would avoid home remedies. Make sure it's safe before anything. You want to determine the severity. First-degree burns is just the outer layer. The second-degree burns is like blistering, stuff like that. A bit more than that. But anyways, after that, you have the third degree, which is the inside. It's third degree, so your skin can look black, charred, or even white. So it's bad stuff right there. Hold on, let me get a Kleenex. I apologize, folks. Jesus Christ. Ah. Ah. Okay, well, we have it right here once again. I apologize. I had to get that done. Well, anyways, so yes, we have the burn right here. It does not look good. So after that, yes, remember the first step, you want to cool it down, separate any jewelry, anything you're doing, take a break. I was cooking, so it was hard for me, but you don't want to make things worse. You want to make sure everything is good. You want to make sure that what was I going to say? You want to make sure that everything is safe, where it's not going to get rubbed against. You don't want to pop these blisters. You want to make sure they stay nice and intact. And if you can't run the blisters under cool water, not freezing water, cool water. Yes, you want cool water, not hot water. If you can't do cool water, just get a cool damp washcloth and just lay it over the blister. You want to cool it down. And yes, after that, so you're pretty much, after that, it's up to, you want to put Aquaphor or Vaseline, something like that nature over it, unless you have a specific special burning cream for oil burns, stuff like that. This video is mainly for oil burns, not for all burns, as we like to specify, to make sure you guys are treating your blisters the best. But anyways, I'm thinking for now, that's pretty much it. I will not put the Aquaphor on this right now. What you can also do is stay hydrated. That always helps out the skin. Stay hydrated. And also you can take Motrin, Advil, ibuprofen, something like that to help the pain. So anyways, that pretty much wraps it up. I hope you guys found this helpful, and it's pretty much as simple as that. We just wanted to get this done fast. For those who just got an oil burn, be safe, take care of yourself. Random topics. Till next time.